Hi, my name is Patrice. I'm a qualified meditation teacher. So I started meditating around 5 years ago when I was feeling quite stressed and out of sorts, and I fell in love with practice so much that I decided to become a teacher. So I did my training about 3 years ago and I've been teaching for about 2 years now. So I am a full-time meditation teacher. I am, due to the COVID situation, I'm currently working mostly via Zoom, and I have clients that I connect with on a weekly basis, usually for about half an hour. You can find me on Instagram at meditatewithpatsye. Meditation is the art of stillness. It's a mental technique which allows you to sit and connect with your inner being, disconnect from the outside world, and just tune into what's happening inside of you. Meditation is a spiritual practice because it allows you to connect with your own spirit. The more time you spend alone in stillness, the more you have time to get to know yourself. You become more intuitive and you get to know how you work, what makes you tick. As you develop your meditation practice, the more time you spend in stillness, the more you get to know yourself and your spirit. So yes, it is a spiritual practice. There are so many benefits of a meditation practice. Meditation is scientifically proven to lower your stress levels. It can help with your sleep, it lowers your blood pressure, and improves your mental well-being. The simplest way to get started meditating is simply by focusing on your breath, because your breath is always with you. You can just sit on your own in a place where you won't be distracted and just focus on your breath, find your breath, notice how your breath feels as it comes into your body, as it leaves your body. Notice where your breath is most prominent in your body. That might be your chest, it might be your nostrils or your belly. And just really focus on your breathing. It's very subtle. And that's the simple art of meditation. That's the easiest way to start. And you only need to take about 5 minutes initially. 5 minutes is a great way to start, and then you can build up over time. And if you try to do it every day, then build up on that. That becomes your practice. The more you do it, the more you find the benefits of it. The best way to stay consistent with meditation is to just turn up for your practice every day, to make the time every day, even if it's just 5 minutes. Take that 5 minutes, take that time for yourself and just sit and do your meditation. The art of practicing every day is how you become consistent. Meditation is a useful tool for when you may be feeling anxious. If you have a medically diagnosed anxiety disorder, then it's always best to seek advice from your doctor before undertaking any treatment. However, if you are generally feeling anxious, meditation is a great tool which can allow you to take some time out, detract from the stress you're feeling, focus on yourself and your breath, go into your own body and relax. Meditation isn't just about breathing. Your breath is always with you, so breathing techniques in meditation are the most simple go-tos. However, there are many different types of technique that you can use to meditate, such as focusing on your body. There's a body scan that you can do where you work through your body, focusing on different body parts. There are mantras that you can use, positive affirmations that you can repeat while focusing on your breath. There are visualization techniques and lots of other techniques that you can try as well. So breathing is the simple form of meditation, but there are many techniques that you can use in meditation. Meditation is right for everyone. We can all meditate. We all have breath in our body, so we can all meditate. Meditation is much misunderstood. A lot of people think it's really complicated and it's difficult. They feel that they have to switch off their thoughts and completely still their mind. That's not the case. You'll always have thoughts during meditation. That's all part of the practice. Thoughts come and go, but it's about not engaging with the thoughts and focusing on whatever it is you're doing, whether it's your breath or whatever technique you're using at the time, and allowing the thoughts to come and go. And we all have that ability, we can all do that. And it's really about taking time, being patient with yourself, and just building up your practice slowly and letting whatever comes up, come up. There are lots of resources available for people that want to start meditating. There's a really great app you can download called Insight Timer, which has lots of entry-level meditations that you can access. If anyone is interested in reading about meditation, I'd really recommend this book, which is called Bliss More: How to Succeed in Meditation Without Really Trying, by Light Watkins. This is a great book to read for anyone that has questions about meditation and perhaps never meditated before and thinks it would be difficult to get into. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to meditate. You can't get it wrong. The act of showing up to meditate is what's important. So a simple technique you can use to start meditating is just by finding a quiet place to sit where you won't be distracted. You can sit, or if you prefer to lie down, that's absolutely fine. Just relax and just find your breath. Start to notice your breath and simply take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Deep breath in and a long breath out. One more deep breath in and a long breath out. And then just allow your breathing to settle into its natural rhythm. So just breathe normally, no need to try and change anything. And just continue to focus on your breath. Just notice where you feel your breath most in your body. It might be your belly. And notice how your belly rises and falls with each breath. You can put your hand on your belly if you feel. You might notice it more in your chest. Notice how your lungs expand and contract with each breath. And notice any sensations you feel in your body. And thoughts will pop up because you can't completely clear your mind. That's not possible. And just allow the thoughts to come up. And just notice them. Try not to engage with them. And just continue to focus on your breath. Just let yourself go. Notice the breath as it enters your body and as it leaves your body. Notice how your breath feels cool as it enters your nostrils and warm as it leaves your nostrils. And you can just do this for around 5 minutes to begin. When you're ready, just bring some gentle movement back into your body, maybe wriggle your fingers and toes. And bring your awareness back into the space around you. And carry on with your day. There are so many techniques that you can try, so don't be put off. If you try one technique and it doesn't feel right, if it doesn't sit well with you, try something else. If you try a breathing technique and you feel uncomfortable, maybe try a visualization technique or a simple mantra. which resonates with you. So don't be put off. If something doesn't feel right, then just try something else. Just keep going, be patient, be kind to yourself, give yourself time, and just keep going until you find the meditation that feels good for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you fall in love with meditation as much as I have. Try to show up every day and do your 5 minutes of meditation. I promise you, you'll see the benefits.